Okay, what I'm doing today, this oven, when I turn it on, it's not turning on. One day we smoked gas and like, we shouldn't have even turned the gas to the pipe, it didn't light. But anyway, what I'm thinking from what I hear, the igniter probably messed up. So I bought an igniter. And we're gonna change it out to see if it makes a difference. I'll turn it on and let you see how the igniter glows, but it doesn't light up. Supposedly the new one that I just bought is gonna light up stronger and more heat, and it will light up. So we'll see what happens here. We'll remove the, on this one right here, let me move this up closer. On this one right here, there's two. This is for all y'all women out there who want to get this done. I mean, y'all can do it yourselves, or you got somebody that can do it for you. They can do it for you too. But there's a couple of screws right here in the back on this oven. This one's a GE, General Electric. Pull that off. Put them aside, don't lose them. Just pull up, pull back, and it comes right out. Now, this is the igniter right here. You'll see it light up when I turn it on in a minute. I'm gonna turn the oven light off so you can get a better look at it. So there's the oven light off. I'm gonna turn the oven on. And you'll see the stove don't want to come on. Give it a little bit of time. Turn it on the pilot. And you'll see this igniter light up. See it's starting to light up there. But the oven don't turn on. Many people end up thinking their stove went bad and stuff. They end up junking and buying a new one. And a lot of times, all you gotta do is replace this. A lot of times, all you gotta do is replace that igniter right there. But as you can see, let me turn the light back off. It's lit up right there. It just, apparently it's not strong enough. Let me pull this off, take it in closer so y'all can see. It's lit up, but apparently not good enough to get it all going. I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna remove the igniter. First I'm gonna turn it off. Make sure you turn the oven off so you don't electrocute yourself or anything like that. Alright, let me remove that igniter and we'll put the new one in. Okay, it's kind of a tight spot to get in there with the camera and everything. But there's one screw there. We're gonna take off to remove the plate to get to the wire back there to the igniter. And on the igniter here, there's two screws right there. So first, I'm gonna remove that. Let me come back here. You can see where I'm coming from. All right. First, I'm gonna remove that screw. Right there. Didn't help. I was zoomed in a little bit too, I guess. So we'll remove this screw first. Make sure you don't burn yourself if you're doing it while it's hot, because like I was just showing you the igniter, you know, some people don't got patience to wait. So I just want to get this video done, so I'm not waiting for it to cool down. Okay, there it is. It's a ratchet screwdriver and I had it the wrong way. There it is. Remove that little screw. You can pull the plate up. Now you can get to the wire to the igniter. The wire to the igniter is in here. It's got like a little clip. You squeeze it. See, you pull the clip off. There, I just pulled it off. On this one, I can't. The way the wire's set up, you can't really get to it. So there's 2 more screws right here, which I'm gonna have to loosen this to be able to get to the. To be able to pull that wire out from back there. That's pretty easy. There's the screw just fell out. There's the screw. I just pull this up like that, get the wire out. Just put it back in there for now so I can. I'm gonna come this side. Remove the 2 screws to get that igniter off. You got 2 screws right here. One. Don't lose the screws, man. You know, this is videos for women and men. If you guys want to impress your women, do it for them. If your women want to impress your man, I guess show them that you can do what they can do. This one's pretty warm, like I said. I just lit it up to show you. And I'm taking it off while it's on, so. I mean, well, that's still hot. So this apparently, it's a shot. Y'all seen it light up and stuff, but it didn't light up hot enough to get the oven to turn on. About this new one, Scoops, Subcool Igniter. Whether it's any good, I don't know. I guess this can work as a review for this too, but we'll find out. You pull it out of the package. Looks identical actually. And the way what it was when I had pulled it apart before, and that's where I got the part number to order. The part number be right here on the tag. See, look, the new one got the part number. It also brings, like, if you're gonna put on a different kind of oven, but it'll still work, where you can cut these and clip them on with these. These are the tie nuts. But this seemed to be the exact same outfit, except this is one old and the little clips are broken where it clipped it to connect. Everything seems to be the same. So now we go back to putting a new one in now. I'm gonna put the new one back. I'm gonna go ahead and lift it. It was behind there. I'm gonna put it back the way it was. So it was behind there, so I'm putting it back behind there, behind the pipe, the wire. Just the way it was. I'm putting it the way it came. That way it worked. Now I'm gonna put this. It ain't that hard to really get started and going. It's just that trying to get it there for trying not to block the video. Hope I haven't been blocking it. Now you're gonna put back on. Let me bring it in here so y'all can see what I'm doing. I mean, it's common sense, but the video is to show you how to do it. So I need to get it over there. And once you got it going, back start it, just screw it back in, man. That's all you gotta do.
Of course, I guarantee you can do that a lot faster if you ain't recording it. 'Cause I can like reach in there and just do it, but don't want to get in the way of the camera, so to show y'all, to help you out, it's gonna take me a little longer, but hopefully I get some subscribers for showing y'all how to do that. Let me get on this one. Trying to get in here to screw it in there without getting in the way. I promise y'all, gotta try this. It's not that hard. It's just like I said, I'm trying to do this. So now I'm gonna come to this side. We got the igniter already screwed on. Like I said, the wire went back there in the back, even though I lifted it just a while ago. Even though I lifted just a while ago to put it in there. Just when I put it back down, I didn't realize it came back up on the back, so let me just put it there. There, it wasn't back of that pipe, so I'm putting it back behind that pipe because I want to put it back the right way. See if everything's gonna work. Now, woohoo, don't lose that. I'm gonna have to pull that out of there. I have trouble getting it if it goes all the way in there. Okay, here it is. Okay, this is the wire it goes up to. It can only go in one way because on the plug is shaped different ways, so it can only go in one way, so you can't really put it in the wrong way. Just put it in there. Push it all the way until it snaps. And then you're good to go, then you got it. You can shove that back in there out of the way if you want. Now that I got that, now I'm gonna go back to put this plate that covers it. There's a little slot right here. Slide it in like that. Get the screw, put it in there. Oh, wait, come on, guys. Almost forgot. I had pulled this screws off of here for this pipe, man. Make sure you put all the screws back on before you start putting stuff in. As you can see, I'm making a video now, almost this. That way that'll line up the pipe exactly where it's got to go too. I'm here showing you a video and I almost missed a step, man. I want to see it work. I want to see. Cause I didn't make sure it worked, you know, and then make the video. This is all live right here. I like kind of do my videos all live so people can see exactly how it's done instead of just people showing little steps here and there and say, look, it worked. This is how you do it. No, I like to actually show you. And this way you'll know exactly too if it worked or if it didn't work. You'll find out with me. Like I said, this would be a video on how to get this going, and also I guess it'll be a review on this igniter that I just bought. Okay, I got everything on. Like I said, it should work. Now before I put the cover and everything back on, we want to try it out. This is the old one. Got the brand new one put on. Everything good to go. I'll leave it right here. You can get an easier look at it. Alright. I guess I'll try it without turning this light off first, see what happens.
Oh, we can leave that on. Let's see what happens. Now, turn it back on. Let it heat up and see what happens. Holy cow, that worked, man. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is a pretty good video, I gotta tell you, man. Like I said, a lot of people throw away their ovens. I forget how much I paid for this. Let me get the receipt, hold on. And you take it to oven place or anywhere, electronic place, something, get your oven fixed. And it's something as simple as that, man. That's crazy. Okay, the paperwork don't got how much it was, but it worked, man. I'm happy. I'm happy. Y'all seen what I seen, man. It worked. That's all to it. Wasn't made up for ratings or nothing. Now, how long it lasts, I don't know, but you know what? Since it worked so easy when it turned on, I put this up here right quick. This is where I got it from. Right there. I mean, that's the brand I bought, and it worked pretty good. That's amazing. So don't go pay somebody a lot of money to fix it for you when you can just do it yourself. You see how easy that was? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. Make sure if you're making video, don't put it too close, it can catch a fire and burn everything. But like I said, it's easy for women to do. So you want to impress your man, you can say, look, I ordered a piece, fix it. Something they couldn't do, and you show them you can do it yourself. There, the pilot went off right there. Once the pilot goes off, you want to wait for it to cool down, go ahead. I'm not. I'm going to go ahead and put this back on. That way the job's just done. Get it over with. Line it up. Put the screw in. There's two of them for this part. I'm just amazed because I've seen people throw their ovens and stuff away, their stoves away, because it's not lighting up. They just go buy a new one thinking it's shot. In reality, all they have to do is replace this little piece right here. Got a working oven again. Of course, I got to clean it a little bit. Spray it and clean it with some cleaner later here. But the video's not about that. The video's about getting it going. It's about 20 minutes long. It took me. It wouldn't have took that long. Like I said, I could have did it in about 5 minutes if I wasn't making a video, because stuff wouldn't been getting the camera wouldn't been in the way. About maybe I'd say about 5-10 minutes. As long as you got the tools ready. So it takes longer to do any job is getting the tools ready. Finding your tools or whatever. Once you got the tools, bam, 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 boom, ready to go. So, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe if I was able to help you. And if I wasn't able to help you, I got other videos that might be able to help you. But I recommend you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Hit that subscribe down there. Yeah, down here, somewhere like that. You know, I don't know where it is. Right there. You know, I'm doing videos. I don't know exactly. I think it's like on this side or something. But anyway, hit subscribe, hit like. Follow my channel, man. Come on. Give me some help. Thank you for watching.